Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get a RapidAPI key. First, navigate to the RapidAPI website, which is your gateway to thousands of APIs. You will need to create an account. You can do this quickly using your email address or by linking a social media account like Google or GitHub. After signing up, remember to check your inbox and confirm your email to fully activate your new RapidAPI account. This initial step is crucial for accessing the platform's full capabilities and securing your future API keys. Once your account is active, dive into the RapidAPI marketplace. Here, you will find hundreds of APIs covering a vast array of functionalities. Take your time to browse and select an API that meets your project's needs. Carefully review its documentation to understand its capabilities and limitations. Pay close attention to the pricing tiers. Many APIs offer a free basic plan, allowing you to test functionality before committing to a paid subscription. Choose the plan that best suits your usage requirements. After subscribing to an API, your unique API key becomes available. To find it, head over to your RapidAPI dashboard. Look for a section typically labeled My Apps or My APIs. Within this area, you will see a list of all the APIs you have subscribed to. Select the specific API for which you need the key. Your API key, often a long string of alphanumeric characters, will be prominently displayed on that page, ready for you to copy and use in your applications. With your API key in hand, the next step is to integrate it into your application's code. This key acts as your authentication token, granting your application access to the API's services. It is paramount to store your API key securely, never hard-coding it directly into publicly accessible code. Consider using environment variables or a secure configuration management system. Finally, make a few test API calls to ensure everything is working correctly and that your application is successfully communicating with the RapidAPI platform.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.